Hello, welcome to Chakari Institution. Hashtag our pride is more educational. My name is Chakari Lutendo and I'm your accounting expert. Today I want us to focus on the grade 12 accounting, where we summarize what are the topics that we are expected to know this term, especially for term 1. So as you can see on my whiteboard here, I have indicated that it's the accounting grade 12, and then the topic or the chapter that we are focusing on this first term, we are focusing on companies. So when we look at the companies, there are a lot of things that we have to focus on. Remember, the company chapter is what we call paper 1 for grade 12. So let's look at what we are expected of. When we check about the company, what you need to know first is to know the company's concept. You need to understand the concept that are going to be used here, such as interim dividends, final dividends, such as retained income note, ordinary share capital, audit report, and other concepts. So we need to focus and understand the concept so that we can understand the chapter. And then when we move on, we are going to deal with what we call the financial statements. We are going to deal with the financial statements. So in summary, when we deal with the financial statements, we are referring to cash flow statement. We are referring to balance sheet statement. We are referring to actual balance sheet. They call it a statement of financial position. So you need to get used to that language. And we also have income statement, which we also call it the statement of comprehensive income. So that's where we will be dealing with the financial statements. And then we come to what we call an audit report. We are going to deal with an audit report. It's going to be the new chapter for you, for the class of 2025. So audit report is where we learn about how to deal with the audit report, types of the audit report, disclaimer, qualified and qualified report. That's where we are going to deal with in this concept. And then the other thing, we are going to deal with accounting equation. You did accounting equation from grade 10, even grade 9 and 8. There are some of accounting equation, but here, basically, on the companies, we are going to focus on the companies. So the accounting equation based on the companies. And then we also have what we call the cooperative governance. That's where we are going to deal about a lot of things there, much more about the concept, answering, explaining, giving the ideas, knowing how to govern a company. So that's where we are going to deal with. And then we also have what we call the internal control. You did internal control from grade 10, so we also have the internal control even in grade 12. And then we have ethics. You know what are the ethics. And then we have the gap. We are referring to historical cost, matching, we have matching prudence, you know them. And then we also have what we call IFRS. So this is the summary for the first term in grade 12. And remember, this summary that I'm giving you, we are referring to the paper 1 of grade 12. We are going to write about this even term 2, trial examination, and then even the final examination. So please, if you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe, like, and also share. Thank you.